So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us how much YouTube has paid me so far. That is my total YouTube earnings ever since I got monetized on this particular channel as a small YouTuber. As we all know, I got monetized here about a month ago. I think on the 7th of July. And from that day till today, YouTube has been paying me consistently every single day. So this video is going to be comprising of how much I've been able to make so far. And yes, YouTube actually pays. That is why I always advise us that whatsoever we are doing here, we just have to try our best to be consistent and bring out value. You are not going to regret it because this platform truly pays. And we're going to be finding out all of that in this particular video. So hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos. Yes, as we all know, we are going to be revealing how much YouTube has paid me so far on this particular channel. Yeah, so before we even delve into that, I need you to understand that when it comes to YouTube payment, a lot of things contribute, and one of the first things that contribute actually is your niche. Yeah, your niche matters a lot. There are some niche that really pay high, and there are some niche that actually pay low on YouTube here. Okay, and another thing also is your audience location. Yes, your audience location is going to determine if your revenue is going to be high or lower. So first of all, before we delve straight into the revenue aspect, I really want to show us this particular thing so that we can be able to understand what I mean when I say your audience really matter on your earnings on YouTube. So right now we're going to be going over to my YouTube studio analytics, and from this audience section, if you scroll down to where my viewers are coming from, that is my viewer geography, you can be able to see here that Nigeria is 64.4%. Then I have United States as 3.5, and I have Ghana as 3.5. Yeah, one of the reasons why we are paying attention to this geography is that when YouTube wants to pay you, they pay attention to your audience geography. Had it been I had United States to be my most viewed from this graph, then my earnings is supposed to be higher. So right now we are going to be going over straight to the revenue aspect. There is no time to waste. I think we'll be doing it how much YouTube pays me every single day. Okay, let's start from last 28 days. So as you can see from the screen, I got monetized I think around July 7th. Then from July 10, YouTube started paying me. And on July 10, I got $1.67. July 13th, I got $1.29. I'm just trying to like skip some dates, okay? Then July 15th, I got $1.08. Down here, I got 93 cents. I think that was July 16th. And mind you, on this particular channel, I really don't post every day. Sometimes in a week, I post once or twice. Yeah, I'm just trying to be much more consistent now. This is a channel that I just post once in a while. Yeah, okay. So on July 17th, I made $3.20, which is actually nice. July 19th, I made $1.02. July 21, I made 32 cents. Then July 22, I made $3.93. Wow, I think that day I actually made a huge amount of money. Yeah. So July 23, I made $1.78. July 25, I made $1.08. It kept on coming down. July 27, I made $0.65. Then July 28, I made $2.19. Down to July 31st, I made $1.10. $2.46. I made that on July 30th. So let's quickly check on 4th of August, I made $0.25. So let's click on last 90 days in order for us to be sure of what we got, because what we just checked is how much YouTube paid me for that month of July that I got monetized. Okay, for the month of July, I was able to accumulate $48, which is actually beautiful. Yes, which is actually beautiful. Okay. Now let's quickly check for August. For August, I made $3.68. And for the month of August, I think I have only uploaded just two videos. Yeah, two videos since the month of August. Or maybe just one. I don't know. Yeah. So the total amount that I've been able to make so far, we have to click on these 365 days for us to be sure of the amount that I've made. So far so good. I've been able to make $51.68, which is really really mind blowing. You can see below from the screen that watch page ads made me $51.39, while YouTube Premium made me $0.29. So these are my top earning content. This particular video here earned me $8.16, which is really really beautiful. Then this other video earned me $7.66. So these are the videos that accumulated this money. Okay, while these videos down here having $0.82, $0.68, they are the videos that I have already before even getting my channel monetized. So this is what I've been able to make so far as a small YouTuber with just 3,000 subscriber. Yeah, just like as I said earlier on, a lot of things contributes to how much you earn here on YouTube. I was able to review one of my students' lifestyle channel. That is almost the same thing we post, and somehow she makes higher. That is her RPM and CPM is actually higher. Now let me also show us something from my YouTube studio again. So from this earning side, you can see that in the last 28 days, YouTube is actually, that is, advertisers is actually paying me $2.30, and your RPM is determined by what advertisers are paying, because that is literally how YouTube is. Advertisers can put this particular amount on your video, then YouTube is going to remove some parts, that is part of the money, then they'll give you whatever they feel you deserve, which is known as the RPM. So for advertisers to pay $2.30, then obviously my RPM should be around $1 20 something cents, or sometimes $1. So this is literally how much I have been able to make so far. That is I think it's up to 1 month. I think 7th of this month would make it 1 month that I got monetized on this channel. Yeah. So go down to the comment section and tell me what to think. Is it worth it? For me, it's actually really, really worth it. Honestly speaking, it's really, really worth it. This channel, I am not even super consistent with my upload, but still, I'm still able to make this amount. I'm really, really grateful. I did not expect it, despite having my viewers location to be mostly Nigeria. I'm still able to make this amount. One thing I used to tell people is that your viewer, your audience location can still change as time goes on. Initially when I started this channel, Nigeria was around 40% and United States was around 20 something percent. But along the line, as I started paying much more interest in creating relatable Nigerian kind of content, that was how I was able to get much more audience and much more viewers from Nigeria. But that is one thing about YouTube. There are still some content that I will still make on this my channel. Maybe that happen to get much more visibility and maybe go viral. They might bring in different audience totally, which can be either from UK or from USA. So your audience geographic location can also change as time goes on, and once it changes, it's going to automatically affect your revenue. Okay, like this is really really worth it. YouTube is worth it. Imagine making videos online, just making videos whenever you feel like, and this amount of money is entering your account. So this is really really beautiful, I must say. And if I'm able to apply much more consistency on this particular channel, I am going to be making double of this by the end of this month. Yes, sure. Yeah. So to every creator out there who is feeling invisible yet, I just want you to understand that that visibility is going to definitely come very very soon. You just have to keep doing what you're doing. Try your best to upload your videos despite when it feels that the content you're bringing out is not making sense, or you're not yet getting that visibility you've always craved for on your channel. Just wanted to understand that they are still going to come. It's just a matter of time. One thing you need to do is to reflect on what is already working. Try to check out your competitors sometimes and recreate some of their videos that are performing well. Who knows, it might also work out on your channel. YouTube sometimes it's all about testing different strategy till you're able to get the one that is doing well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Is it worth it? Obviously it's worth it, honestly. Yeah. And if you've not liked this video, please do well to like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot much more other creators out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.